Guess who's back?
Muchas gracias, oficial. Este para vosotras.
Why didn't you text me?
Because my phone was dead.
Why didn't you tell me it was dead?
Because my phone was dead.
Dad. What? Dad, why are you so serious all the time? Why don't you ever make any joke? I made you. Ha 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 ha.
Sir, it says here that you have a criminal record.
Yes, I do.
Can you tell me why you were arrested?
My last interviewer did not hire me and I killed him.
You start Monday.
Meow meow, nigga.
Hey Alexa, can you find the nearest restaurant?
Who is Alexa?
I meant, hey Siri, can you find the nearest restaurant?
Who is Alexa?
Can you please find me the nearest restaurant?
Why don't you ask that hoe Alexa to find you a restaurant?